Today we are going to be making candied citrus peel. Let's go ahead and dive into ingredients. We are going to need a total of 4 cups of water split into two 2-cup portions. We also have 1 bag of organic lemons, which is about a total of 8 lemons. We need half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of sugar, and then 2 cups of sugar in a Ziploc bag for later. Let me show you 2 different ways on how to peel the lemons. First way, we are going to be using a knife. To do this method, go ahead and cut off the top and the bottom of each lemon. This will give us something to stand it on. Now, go ahead and take your knife and following the natural curve of the lemon, try to cut as close to the skin as possible and try to avoid any white pith. If you do end up cutting a segment with white pith on it, you can actually just go ahead and cut it off. You can hold it down, take your knife, and just kind of cut across, and doing that will help remove any excess that is on there. Next, you will want to take your peel and go ahead and cut it into 1/4-inch slices. This is the exact size that we're looking for, but just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Let's go ahead and cut up the rest of the peels. For the next method, we are going to be using a peeler. Go ahead and just take the peeler and peel almost like a potato. Just go ahead, push down, and pull it across. And you get an absolutely perfect slice of peel with almost no white pith on it and no insides of the lemon on it as well. Go ahead then and cut this into the 1/4-inch slices, just as we've done earlier. It's kind of hard to pull the peeler straight across, so I kind of move it back and forth in a jigsaw pattern in order to make those perfect cuts. Alright, let's go ahead and blanch our lemon peels. First we will boil the first 2 cups of water, then we will add in our lemon peels and our salt, and we will cook for around 5 minutes. Then we will take them out and we will drain them in a colander. Let's do that. Alright, let's go ahead and drain the peels. Alright, let's go ahead and add in the remaining 2 cups of water along with the 3 cups of sugar. We will then stir this until it dissolves. We will then bring the syrup to a boil, then we will add in our lemon peel, we will lower the temperature, and we will simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's go ahead and drain our lemon peels now. We are going to place them on a sheet tray that's been lined with parchment paper along with a metal rack. When we take them out, try to space them apart and try not to let them stick together too much. As you can see, the lemon peels look very tender and they also look very translucent. That is a telltale sign of how we know when they are done. We're now going to let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and get our Ziploc bag with the 2 cups of sugar in it. We're going to toss our lemon peels in there and we're going to shake up the bag to coat them with all that sugar. Alright, let's go ahead and get our citrus peels in the sugar. Go ahead now and seal out the bag and toss them and just coat them all. let's go ahead and try one of these candied lemon peels. Now that is the perfect flavor of citrus and sweetness, and this would go absolutely perfectly on our lemon ice cream recipe, or for even like a sorbet of your favorite. You can also use, you don't always have to use lemon peels. You could also use orange or grapefruit, whatever you prefer. As long as it's a nice citrus rind, this recipe is going to work perfectly for you. As an added bonus, you also have a lot of lemons now to make lemon juice. If you like what you saw here, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Today, we're making citrus peel.